Okay, so when we've reached step 7, you've got your addresses for the different places around town, and you've put them into your spreadsheet. And now we're looking to find the X and Y coordinates. So if we look at step number 7, it asks us to use a website called Geocoder. Geocoder is a website that was created by the U.S. Census Bureau, and it helps us to convert an address to data. And in this case, the data we're looking for is longitude and latitude. Now, the activity steps that you have here, with starting with step number 7, it walks you through using Geocoder. However, Geocoder's been updated since the images here were produced. So I'm going to walk you through really quickly how to use this website. So you're going to click here on the link, and it's going to take you directly to the Geocoder website. Here you're going to see find locations. You're going to want to click on this little caret here to drop down the menu, and you're going to look for one line address processing. So it's this one right here. From here, it's going to bring you to this screen. And on this screen, you're going to type in the address for a location. So here is the location for the Sheriff's Department. It's one of the locations that we identified for our local police department. And you just type in the address. You don't have to type in a title of the place or the name of the location. You just type in the street number, the street name, the city, the state, and the zip code. Okay, and then once you've got that typed in, you can click on Get Results. And then here you have your X and Y coordinates, or your longitude and latitude. So you can just copy and paste this into your spreadsheet. Now, you really want to, you're going to notice that this is in decimal form. So we talked about how longitude and latitude is in degrees, minutes, and seconds. And we talked about how to make that conversion. Here, that conversion's already made for you. So it's 118.068796 degrees. And then here, this is 33.913789 degrees. Now, for the purposes of your assignment, you need to copy and paste at least out to 6 decimal points. That's going to be important. Now, sometimes you're going to type in an address here, and it's going to not show up as a valid address. And there's a couple of reasons for that. You might have a bad address. The location or the address that you're using may just not be a valid address. It may be new construction. The street name or the numbering may have changed. And then there's some other cases where the full address cannot be released. So, and it's prohibited by law to release the actual address. You may just get like a block location, in which case you wouldn't be able to get a result. Also, if you're having trouble finding that result, finding that X and Y, there's another thing that you can do, and you can use Google Maps. So just if you go into the search bar and search for Google Maps and open it up, from here you can type in the location. So in this case, I typed in Mike's Burgers because everybody likes to eat there. And then you come over here and you hit Control and then click on the icon. Now, I'm on my Mac, so this is you using your MacBook at school. If you are using a PC at home, you would just right click on the icon. And you'll see here you have your longitude and latitude. Remember, this is going to be your X, and this is going to be your Y coordinate. So you can go ahead and copy and paste those in to the spreadsheet. Okay, easy enough. If you have questions, let me know. But that is how you will use the geocoder, and then go ahead and just copy in your data here. I think all of the locations that I have here, Norwalk Sheriff Station, La Mirada High School, the movie theater, Escalona Elementary, and Mike's Burgers, all of them I was able to find in Geocoder without a problem. So depending on the locations that you're looking for, you may or may not be able to use Geocoder, but you can use Google Maps as your backup plan.